welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you my goodies that I ordered from Sanrio. If you follow me on Instagram, I showed you the morning that I woke up, went outside, and this lovely box was sitting outside. For one, I love Puma. I love old school stuff. Puma to me represents like old school, you know, like Adidas, Puma, all of that stuff. But they partnered with Hello Kitty. You guys know Hello Kitty does not partner too often with other brands or, you know, whatever. So this is like the ultimate merge of two brands that are just classic and just, you know, like, yeah. So I'm not gonna keep running my mouth. I'm gonna show you guys the shoes first before I show you the items that are in the other box. So this is the box that it came in. These are the shoes, and I'm gonna show them to you. And it says Puma suede right here, 50-year. I think they're celebrating the 50-year anniversary. I thought that was super cool. They put the 50 in gold, and the box is adorable. Now, before I even get into all of this, let me just say this. I love Puma. I love Hello Kitty. I'm not a big fan. I mean, I'm not a collector of Hello Kitty items like one of my buddies here, my YouTube sister, Pinky Baby, which she will be linked down below. Pinky has been following my channel since I first started 3 years ago, and she is the sweetest person ever. So make sure you guys go over to her channel and give her some love. Let her know that I sent you. And she loves Hello Kitty. I mean, she loves Hello Kitty. She posted it on her Instagram, and I was able to go over there and finally, you know, it was sold out like in hours. This stuff sold out so fast. So that day it was all gone. The day that it launched, it was sold out. And so for some reason that next morning, something told me to get online and look, because I was only looking on the Puma website. Something told me to go check Sanrio, which is the maker of Hello Kitty. So I went on Sanrio, and immediately they had put some stuff up, so I was able to grab some stuff. And then like a few hours later, it was sold out again, and I have not seen it surface again. If you are able to find any of this, consider yourself very lucky, because it sold out super fast. And yeah, so sorry I had to go all into that, but I blame this haul. And I also thank her for reminding me, but on Pinky Baby. So like I said, she'll be linked down below. Show my sister some love on here, and let's get into this. So one of the cool things when you open up this, I think that's the manufacturing date of the shoes, which is 11/11/2017. That is awesome. Also tongue-tied. That is also another reason why I like to get limited edition items, because you'll know when it's made, and they only made a few of them. So yeah. So then they also give you some shoestrings, and I love that gold tip on it. And so yeah, so I'm just gonna open these up. Not to mention this box. Look at this box. She is so adorable. I love the milk bottles. I love it. I have a jacket, a Hello Kitty jacket with one of the milk bottles on the shoulder, and I think that's super cute. So let's take a look at the shoes. Okay, so everything was about to fall. So this is what the shoe looks like. It's just your classic red Puma type of a shoe, but it is super adorable, and it has the same picture that's on the box all over the shoe with the red and the gold. Look at the accents of the gold on the Puma. Excuse my nails, you guys. That Puma is gold over there. And then you have the gold sprinkles on the bottom of the shoe. Also on the shoestrings, you have the gold tips, just like the white pair that they give you. And I thought that was really cool as well. And then also on the tongue, it still has the plastic on it, but it says Puma right there. And then if I can pull the shoestring down, you'll see, if I could show you, you'll see Hello Kitty's face right there. So not only are you getting the Puma logo, you're also getting the Hello Kitty logo, and I think that is really nice of them to do that. And then also on the bottom of the shoe on the inside where it's gold, you got the Puma right there, and then you also have, that light is bright, but you also have the Hello Kitty. So you're getting both of the brands stamped on the shoe. Then also at the bottom, I'd have to open up the other shoes so you guys can get a feel for what I'm talking about, but let me show you. So at the bottom of the shoes are clear like a jelly, and when you put them together you get the cute little bow, the Hello Kitty bow, and I thought this was so cute. So cute. And like I said, these are limited edition. I know when I checked online again, you are still able to get some of the kid shoes. As far as the adult shoes, I'm not sure. I haven't heard anything about them relaunching, if they're going to relaunch or if this was just like a one-time thing, which I kind of think that it is, but you never know. If you are interested in any of this, make sure you stay tuned, and yeah, pay attention, because it's gonna come. If it pops up, it's gonna sell out fast. And the next thing that I pulled out of the box was this hat, and I think it's adorable with this clear red visor. You can see right through it. Like, look at that. That is so cute. And then you have the Puma and the Hello Kitty symbol on the front. It is adjustable. You have the strap in the back, and then you just have the Puma symbol back here. And then on the inside, it shows Puma and Hello Kitty on the white part, and then it says 50 for 50-year anniversary. And I just got the hat because I figured if I do decide to wear the shoes, if I don't want to, you know, be all super Hello Kitty'd out, then I can just do the shoes, and at least I'll have like a matching accessory to go with the shoes. So I'm just not wearing the shoes with nothing else to match it. I'm just kind of like that. And then just to alternate between the hat, I was able to get a shirt, and let me show you the shirt. Also was able to get the shirt, and it does say Puma suede, and it says Hello Kitty. Everything just kind of has the tags. And then I was able to get this in an extra large, and it looks like this. How adorable is that, to match the shoes? Adorable. And on the back it just says Puma at the top. And yeah, so that's basically the shirt. And then the main thing that I really wanted, that was super oh, I was so on edge. This is what I really wanted. Besides the shoes, the hat and the shirt was just extra, just because I figured I'd like to have extra things to wear with the shoes. But this right here, this is what I wanted. And I'm tearing it open. And you guys know I love hoodies, so I had to get the hoodie. And it looks like this. It is red and white, and they did have track pants to match this, but I wasn't feeling the track pants. So this is the sleeve, and I love that it has the fat white stripe down the sleeve. And then you have the Hello Kitty and the Puma symbol right on the chest area right here. Adorable. And then let's see, so that's it. And it does come with the pockets in the front, like the kangaroo pouch. Now this back side, I love it. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. So it has her, and her bow is embroidered on here. The actual picture of her is more like a silk screen, but her bow is embroidered, and the milk bottle is also embroidered, and I think that is adorable. Adorable. The only thing I don't like about stuff like that, when you wear it, if you have your hood hanging down like that, then you can't see the picture. So you kind of want to have the hood, you know, on your head, so that you can show the picture off in the back. I mean, because that's really one of the purposes of the sweatshirt, is the picture in the back. So yeah, so that was my Sanrio haul. That was enough. Like, I just loved it. I love this collection. So like I said, you can check on Puma website. I seen it, where else did I see it? Besides Puma, the Sanrio website. And I think there's somewhere else that I saw it at, but it was sold out as well. But I think it was like, not Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale's. I think you can check Bloomingdale's as well, but I'm not too sure. So keep your eyes open if you're looking for this. Thank you again, Pinky, my YT sister, for alerting me to pay attention again. And thank you guys all for watching. I'm done, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.